In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up and create a Manychat account. This process will only take about 5 minutes, and by the end you'll be all set to start leveraging Manychat's powerful automation features. So let's dive right in and get you started on this exciting journey. The first thing you need to do is head over to manychat.com. You can do this by opening up your preferred web browser and typing in the URL, or simply clicking on a search result if you've searched for Manychat online. Once you're on the Manychat website, you'll see the option to get started for free. Click on that and it will prompt you to choose your method of signing up. You'll have a few choices here. You can sign up with your Facebook account, Google account, or even Telegram if that's your channel of choice. Select the option that you're most comfortable with. Each of these options is straightforward and secure, allowing you to quickly connect existing accounts for seamless interaction with Manychat. After you've chosen your preferred sign-up method, you'll see an option to add a new account. This is an important step as it will start setting up your Manychat environment. Simply click on the option to add a new account, and you'll be guided to the next stage where you choose your preferred channel. At this point you will be deciding where you want to deploy Manychat. You could choose Messenger, Instagram, WhatsApp, Telegram, email or SMS depending on where your audience tends to engage the most. Select the channel that aligns best with your audience interaction. Once you've picked your channel, you'll be asked to select your Facebook page, especially if you're working with Messenger. Choose the relevant Facebook page you want to associate with your Manychat account and then click Connect. It's worth noting that if you are using other platforms such as Telegram or Google, the setup might be slightly different in terms of steps or permissions. But don't worry, Manychat guides you through this. When you've connected your chosen platform, you will follow the Setup Wizard. This wizard is a user-friendly guide that helps you with the initial setup and configuration of your Manychat account. It's designed to ensure that even if you're new to the platform, you can easily understand and establish all the necessary settings to start automating. Manychat is a versatile tool that allows you to build automations across various platforms including Messenger, Instagram, WhatsApp, Telegram, email, and SMS. By utilizing these channels, you can effectively engage with your audience and automate many of your business interactions, saving you time and enhancing customer experiences. So there you have it, a quick guide to signing up and setting up your Manychat account. In just a few minutes and with a few simple steps, you're now on your way to exploring the exciting possibilities of chat automation.